चलो 8 1 the price of a chair is reduced by 25%. So old price is not given. Old price of chair we consider x rupees. Okay, old price of the chair is not given, so we consider old price of the chair is x rupees. Now this old price is reduced by 25%, so there is 25% reduction. 25% reduction. Yes, so can you tell me what will be the new price? Yes, anybody? Can you tell me what will be the new price of the chair? Yes, after reduction. Yes, my dear, we have seen, no? What will be new price? Arey, my dear, the reduction means decrease. Reduction means decrease. So, yes. X minus 25% of x. X minus 25% of x will be new price of the chair. So simplify this. X minus 25% means 25 upon 100. Of means multiplication x. You can cancel 25 1 the 25. 25 4 the 100. So x minus x by 4. Okay. X you can write x by 1. And how we simplify? We take LCM of denominator, LCM of 1 and 4. LCM of 1 and 4 is 4. Yes or no? So make denominators equal. So this will be x into 4 upon 1 into 4 minus x by 4. So x into 4 will be 4x. So new price of chair will be 4x upon 4 minus x upon 4. X means it is 1 into x. Okay, so this will be 4x minus x. 4x minus x upon 4. X means it is 1 into x. So 4 minus 1 is 3. So new price of chair is 3x upon 4. New price of chair is 3x. 4 minus 1, 3. 3x upon 4. This is new price of the chair. What is our first one? Change in price to the old price. So what is change in price? Yes, my dear, what is change in price? Just now we have seen, no? What is change in the price? New price means change in price, no? Yes. So find what is the ratio. Yes, you have to find the ratio of old and new price. So first you have to find the ratio of old price and new price. Old price ratio new price. Yes, what do you mean by A ratio B means? Tell me. What is old price? Old price is x. Ratio new price 3x by 4. What do you mean by A ratio B? Yes. A upon B. So x ratio 3x by 4 will be x divided by 3x by 4. Are you getting? And when you convert division into multiplication, what you get? That will be x into 4 upon 3x. Are you getting? Now x get cancelled. What is left? 4 upon 3. What do you mean by 4 upon 3? Yes, my dear, what do you mean by 4 upon 3? Old price to new price ratio. This is my second one. Old price to new price ratio. Second one. So this is 4:3. So price of old price ratio new price. 4:3 is the answer of old price ratio new price. Okay. Old price ratio new price is 4 upon 3, that is same as 4 ratio 3. This is the answer of second. What was the answer of first? Change in price to the old price. What was change in the price? Change in price. See here. No, change in price to the old price, my dear. Change in price to the old price. Now it is reverse. First one. Change in price. What was change in price? What was change in price? Yes. What was change in price? Change in price was 25% of x. No. 25% of x. That is 25 upon 100 into x. चल जॉइंट पर होगा चल. So change in price is 25 upon 25% of x. 25 4 100. So change in price is x upon 4. Change in price is x upon 4. Change in price is 25% of x. Now we want to find the ratio. First one we are doing. First we have done second one. Now we do first one. Change in price ratio of change in price ratio old price. Change in price ratio old price. What is change in price? Yes, x upon 4. Ratio old price. What is old price? X. So what will the A ratio be? A upon B. So x upon 4 divided by x, which is same as x upon 4 multiplied by 1 upon x. Are you getting this, my dear? X get cancelled. So what is that? 1 upon 4. What is 1 upon 4? 1 ratio 4. So answer is change in price ratio old price is 1 ratio 4. Yes, is it clear? Okay. चलो 9th one. 9th one all answer are given. Okay, so we will do 10th one. Okay, but anyhow see here, even though 9th one all answers are given, okay, we will do 9th one. Don't look at the answer. 9th one all answers are given, but we will do 9th one without seeing the answer. How we have got that answer? Answers are given, but you should know how to derive the answer. Okay, there is a guide. Guide is available. Notes are available in the market, but while we teach in the class, you come to understand. Chalo, 9th one. Mute the microphone. X is 20% less than y. X is 20% less than y. 20% less than y. What do you mean by this? My dear, you have to form the equation. Is means equal to. Mute the microphone. Otherwise I will remove. X is 20% less than y. What do you mean by that? Yes, x equal to 20% less than y. Means 20% reduced from y. So what that will be? Y minus 20% of y. No. Yes or no, my dear? Y minus 20% of y. So x will be y minus 20% means 20 upon 100. Of means multiplication. First one. We are doing first one. Okay, so 20 5 is 100. So x will be y minus y upon 5. X will be y minus y upon 5. Y I can write y upon 1. Then you take LCM of 1 and 5. LCM of 1 and 5 is 5. So x will be y into 5 upon 1 into 5. minus y upon 5. Okay, so x will be 5y. X will be 5y. Now this part is not explained in the solution, that you have to take LCM and make denominators equal. So that is why we are solving the problem by our method, so that everything, each and every step is clear. Okay, so x will be y into 5, that is 5y. So x will be 5y upon 5 minus y upon 5. Y means it is 1 into y, remember, y means 1 into y. So it is minus, so 5 minus 1 is 4. So x is equal to 4y upon 5. 4y upon 5. Okay, so you can see x is equal to 4y. 4y means 4 into y upon 5. Okay, so where is y? Where is y? Y is there in the multiplication. When you will take y on left hand side, y will go in the division. This is my left hand side, this is my right hand side. LCM of 1 and 5 is 5. So this first one I have multiplied numerator by 5, denominator by 5. So y will come down. Y will go in the division. Y will go in the division. Okay. So you will get x upon y. X upon y is equal to 4 upon 5. Okay. Y is there in the multiplication. So when you will take y on the left hand side, y will go in the division. So x upon y is 4 upon 5. Okay. Now second one, y minus x upon y. Y minus x upon y. So what is my x? Tell me. Y minus x. Y minus x upon. X is 4, y is 5. X is 4, y is 5. Okay. X minus y upon. Second one. X upon y is 4 upon 5. X upon y is 4 upon 5 means my numerator is x, denominator is 5. So that will give you x is equal to 4, y is equal to 5. Now you want to find the value of x minus y upon y. What is x? Echo, somebody has unmuted the microphone. Okay. X minus y upon y. X is 4. 4 minus 5 upon 5. Now you tell me 4 is having which sign? What is sign of 4? Plus. What is sign of 5? Minus. Plus and minus opposite sign. Yes, whenever they have opposite sign you have to subtract and take the sign of bigger number. 4 minus 5 is minus 1. Minus 1 upon 5. So x minus y upon y, answer is minus 1 upon 5. Minus 1 upon 5. X upon y minus this was third one, my dear. This was third one. Okay, now we have to do second one. Y minus x upon y. Y minus x upon y. Okay. This was not third one. This was something different. Okay. X minus y upon y is not there. Chalo, let us do second one. Y minus x. Y minus x upon y. What is the value of y? 5. 5 minus 4 upon 5. Answer is 1 upon 5. Then third one is, this was not there. X minus y upon y is not there. Third one is x upon y minus x. X upon y minus x. What is x? X is 4 upon 5 minus 4. Answer is 4 upon 1. Answer is 4. Okay. Let us do 10th one. 10th one. X is 30% more than y. x is 30% more than y. X is 30% more than y. Yes, first you form the equation. Is means equal to. Yes, all of you are able to hear me? Yes or no? Okay, okay, chalo. हाँ, x is 30. Board is absolutely clear, my dear. हाँ, x is means so x is equal to is means equal to 30% more than y. Now more means increase. So what do you write? More means increase. So we write y plus 30% of y. More means increase. So x is equal to y plus 30% means 30 upon 100 into y. 1 0 get cancelled. So x is equal to y plus 3y upon 10. Y plus 3y upon 10. Y I can write y upon 1. Now you will take LCM of 1 and 10. 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 What is LCM of 1 and 10? Yes, anybody? 10. LCM of 1 and 10 is 10. Correct? So x is equal to y into 10. Y into 10 upon 1 into 10 plus 3y upon 10. So x is equal to 10y upon 10 plus 3y upon 10. Now denominator is same, 10, 10, you can add numerator. So x is equal to 10y plus 3y upon 10. Now 10y and 3y, they are like terms. You can add coefficient 10 and 3. 10 plus 3 is 13. X is equal to 13y upon 10. So x is equal to 13y, I can write 13 into y upon 10. Okay, so this is my left hand side and this is my right hand side. Y is there in the multiplication on right hand side. So y will go in the division. Y will go in the division. So x upon y is equal to 13 upon 10. X upon y is equal to 13 upon 10. X upon y is equal to 13 upon 10. X upon y is equal to 13 upon 10. X upon y is equal to 13 upon 10. Okay. So x upon y is equal to 13 upon 10. Okay. So first answer. Now what is second? Second, find y plus x upon x. Y plus x upon x. So x upon y is 13 upon 10. That means my numerator is x and my numerator is 13. Denominator is y, denominator is 10. So that will give you x is equal to 13. X is equal to 13 and y is equal to 10. Okay. Now you want to find x, y plus x upon x. Y plus x upon x. What is my y? Y is 10. X 13 upon x 13. 10 plus 13 is 23. 23 upon 13 is the answer. Y plus x upon x is 23 upon 13. Now find next one. 23 upon 13. Now find y upon y minus x. 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 Third one. Y upon y minus x. What is my y? Y is 10 upon y, 10 minus x, 13. So that will be 10 upon 10 minus 13 is minus 3. So answer is minus 10 by 3. Minus sign you can take in the numerator. Y upon y minus x is minus 10 by 3. Okay? Minus 10 by 3. Yes. So 8C is only up to 10. 8C is only up to 10. Now first 10 are there. Then 8 these completely omitted. 8 these omitted. 8C up to 10. Okay, so this complete this portion. This complete this chapter, sorry. Huh? B and D are omitted. 8C is up to 10. 8B is omitted completely and 8D is omitted. 8C is only up to 10. Okay? 8C only up to 10. 8D is completely omitted. 8D is completely omitted. So this complete our percentage chapter. This complete our percentage chapter. This complete our percentage chapter. Chalo. How much time is left? Exponent is there, no? It is 11:04. Our period is up to 11. Our period is up to. Yes. So let us start. Let us start one more. Exponents. Okay. Exponents we have to start. Exponents. Okay. Let us start exponents. चलो ठीक है. Chapter number 5. Chapter number 5. Exponents. Chapter number 5. Exponents. Okay. Okay. So you write. See, we have seen 2 into 2 into 2 into 2. How many times? How many times we are multiplying 2? How many times we are multiplying 2? 3 times. So this I can write 2 to the power 3. This 3 is called my power. This 3 is called my power, or it is called index, or it is called exponent. Okay, 3 is called my exponent, index or power, and 2 is called my base. Okay. Okay. So base power, base to the power. So this base, write on this, base to the power is same as head to raise to cap. Base to the power is same as head raised to cap. Okay, so it is same as yes. Base to the power is same as head raised to cap. So it is same as wearing a cap overhead. Wearing a cap overhead. So exponent is same as wearing a cap overhead. Where you wear the cap? Over the head? Yes or no? Yes? Yes. So if my cap is 3, if there are 3 caps, then how many head you want? Yes, tell me. 3. Okay, so if power is 3, base to the power is same as head, it is same as wearing a cap over a head. Wearing a cap over a head. Okay, wearing a cap over head. So how much is cap? That number of times we should have head. Okay, that exponent is called my cap. So whatever is the cap, that number of time you should have head. Okay, so for example, this is same as head raised to cap. This will be head into head into head into head. Head into head into head into head. How many times you have cap? Okay, so 5 raised to 4. What is my cap or power? So my cap is same as power. If power is 4, then you have to multiply the number 4 times. 5 into 5 into 5 into 5 into 5, 4 times. Okay, because if there are 3 caps, you should have 3 heads. The same thing, if the power is 4, you should have 5 times multiplied. Let us take 7 raised to 3. What is my power? Power is 3, cap is 3, so you want 3 heads. So 7 into 7 into 7. Okay. So this is the logic. Exponent is same as wearing a cap over the head. How many cap we have, that number of times we multiply the head. Head is same as base. So in this, base is 2, power is 3. Base is 2, power is 3. And whatever is the power, that number of times we multiply the base. That number of times we multiply the base. So based on this, we have first exercise. First exercise, find the value of 6 raised to 2. Exercise 5A. We will see what is the answer. So only first exercise is there. Only first exercise of this chapter is there. Second exercise is not there. Only first exercise means exercise 5.8. 5.1 of 5A is there. 5B is not there in the reduced syllabus. Okay. We are going as per the, exercise 5A. We are going as per the reduced syllabus. Now 5A. First find the value of. Find the value of. Find the value of. First. First 6 to the power 2. What is my power? Power is 2. And what is my base? Base is 6. So whenever you have base to the power, whatever is power, that number of times we multiply the base. So 6 into 6, answer is 36. Answer will be 36. Then second 7 raised to 3. More than one digit. Yes, number can be any number of digits. But what is important, whatever is power, that number of times we multiply the number. 7 raised to 3. So my power is 3. So 7 into 7 into 7. 7 sevens are 49, 49 sevens are 343. Then 4 raised to 4. 4 to the power 4. 4 into 4 into 4 into 4 into 4, 4 times. Because power is 4, base is 4. 4 4s are 16, 16 4s are 64, 64 4s are 250. 256, my dear. 4 4s are 16, 16 4s are 64, 64 4s are 256. Answer is 256. Then 5 is rest, let me give homework. 8 raised to fourth one, 5 raised to 5, homework. Then fifth one, 8 raised to 3, homework. Then sixth one, yes, mute the microphone, 7 raised to 5, homework. Okay. Let us do second, evaluate. Second is evaluate. Second one is evaluate. Evaluate. First one. 2 raised to 3 into 4 raised to 2. 2 raised to 3 into 4 raised to 2. Let us see. 2 raised to 3 means I have to multiply 2 3 times. 2 into 2 into 2. Then 4 raised to 4, 4 raised to 2 means 4 into 4. So let us multiply. See how we multiply. 2 2s are 4, 2s are 8. These two we multiply, these two we multiply. So 2 2s are 4, 4 2s are 8. 8 into 4 4s are 16. 16, 128. Answer is 128. Chalo. 2 raised to 3 into 5 raised to 2. 2 raised to 3 into 5 raised to 2. 2 raised to 3 into 5 raised to 2. 2 raised to 3 into 5 raised to 2. 2 raised to 3 into 5 raised to 2. Okay. 2 raised to 3 into 5 raised to 2. 2 into 2 into 2. 3 times 5 raised to 2. 5 into 5 2 times. Okay. Let us see. First we multiply. 2 2s are 4, 2s are 8. 5 5s are 25. So this becomes 8 into 25. 25 8s is 200. Okay. Then fourth one. This was second. Yes. Second. Now third one. Third one. 3 raised to 3 into 5 raised to 2. 3 raised to 3 means 3 into 3 into 3 3 times. 5 raised to 2 means 5 into 5 2 times. So multiply. 3 3s are 9, 9 3s are 27. 27 into 25. How much? How much? 675. Third one we have completed. Now let me give rest homework. Okay. Yet one I will do. Whichever is difficult, that I will do. Whichever is easy, that you have to do. Okay. So third one. Now fourth one. 2 raised to 2 into 3 raised to 3. 2 raised to 2 into 3 raised to 3. Homework. Now fifth one. 3 raised to 2 into 5 raised to 3. Homework. Then sixth one. 5 raised to 3 into 2 raised to 4. Homework. Then seventh one. We'll see. Seventh one. 3 raised to 2 into 4 raised to 2. Homework. Then eighth one I will do. Eighth one. Eighth one is 4 into 3 raised to 3. 4 into 3 raised to 3. My dear, whenever you have to simplify, you have to follow BODMAS. You have to follow BODMAS. So first we simplify the bracket. First we simplify this bracket. 4 into 3 is 12. 12 raised to 3. Yes, 4 into 3 is 12. First you have to simplify. 12 raised to 3. 12 raised to 3 means you have to multiply 12 3 times. So 12 into 12 into 12. Multiply. 12 12s are 144. 144 into 12. 12 4s are 48. 48 plus 4, 52. 1728. Answer is 1728. So whenever bracket is there, first you have to simplify the bracket. BODMAS. First we simplify the bracket. Then division, then multiplication, then addition, then subtraction. Okay, so you have to follow BODMAS rule. Whenever bracket is there, you have to Whenever bracket is there, you have to simplify the bracket first. Chalo, one more. 5 into 4 is to 2. Ninth one. 5 into 4 raised to 2. So first you have to simplify the bracket, my dear. 5 4s are 20. 20 raised to 2. That is 20 into 20. Answer will be 400. Okay? So now take 1 star question. Chalo, 1 star question. I want the answer. I want the answer. Okay. I want the answer. I want the answer. Chalo. Predecessor of. Chalo. Chalo, do this. Successor of. Successor of. Successor of. Successor of 2 into 5 raised to 2 minus 1 upon 2 into 5 raised to 3. Chalo, do it. A, option A. Answer A. One minute. 1 B 0.01 C 1 upon 100 D 0.1. Tell me the answer. Tell me the answer. Successor of bracket. A1 is wrong answer. Who said D? D. What is your name? Meet Doshi D. Meet Doshi D 0.1 is absolutely question mark. Chalo, others also try. Meet Doshi said D 0.1. D. Durgesh Rana D. Meet Doshi D. Chalo. Let us see. See here. No, 2 into 5 is 10. 10 raised to 2 minus 1. 10 into 10, 100. 100 minus 1, 99. My dear. So what is successor of 99? Successor of 99 will be 100 upon 2 into 5 is 10. 10 raised to 3, 1000. Then 2 zeros get cancelled. That is 1 upon 10. 1 upon 10 is same as 0.1. So answer D is absolutely correct. So Durgesh Rana, Meet Doshi, they are absolutely correct answer. 0.1. Yes. So now we stop here. It is 11:21. Bye everybody. Bye.